Okay, get it, Joe.
Ooh, a big one. Okay, find some more. Oh, there's one. Right there.
Oh, okay.
Let me see, Joe.
There's another one. Get that one. And then show Mama.
Show me. Come over here. Over here where we see it.
I dumped it in.
We'll find some more. I bet there's more coming up somewhere.
I can find one. I found one.
Show me, Joe. Joe, you're supposed to come show me your worm.
Here, kiss it.
No, yuck! I found a tiny one.
Hey, Taz. Move out of the way.
Wow. I picked up some worms.
How many did you get, Joe?
I got 7.
How many?
7.
7 worms?
Yeah.
That's a lot of worms.
No, 5 worms.
Okay.
Look at them. Look at that one. There's one. Get that one. Show Mama that one. Pick that one up and show Mama.
Yeah.
Go show Mama.
Mommy, look.
Whoa! Yuck! Okay, now eat it.
No.
Ooh, that is one long big worm, isn't it?
Take a piece of it.
You don't want to try it?
No.
Fishies like it. Okay, go put them in the cup. Hey, don't you remember that book, Joe? Yum Yum Bugs?
Yeah.
The frogs eat the bug, yum yum.
Yeah. Oh, I found one.
Okay, we'll get him.
You're a good worm catcher, Joe.
No, oh, I found one, a long one. I can't get this one.
Why do you suppose they're coming out of the ground? Do you know why?
We'll get that one. Let's put him in here.
Wait.
And that'll be enough. I think that's enough for tonight.
Okay, let's go to our fishing place.
Yay!
Yay! Yeah, we're gonna take a movie all the way out, okay? Whoops! Maybe not. I gotta drive with my right hand. Okay, here we go. Hi, Joe.
We're going on the Dabble Fall.
What?
We're going on the Dabble Fall.
Okay.
Come on, Mom. Wow, the stickballs, huh?
A lot of stickers here, huh?
Yeah. So many. Now, Mom, stickers.
Daddy's gonna climb through the bushes today, huh?
That'll be fun.
How do we...
There used to be a spot where the...
Yeah, but there's the gravel bar's right there. There's only one spot we can get to. So I'm gonna.
How do we get...
Daddy's gonna make a path, okay?
We better be careful. We better be careful. Be careful, Mommy.
Okay, I'll be careful.
Cause I'm being careful.
Okay,
Cause we might...
I'm gonna be careful too.
I'm being careful. This is so easy.
I should have brought the bug spray. Huh. Oh, if there's a mosquito, it'll find me.
Yay! Yay! We're almost done. We're almost done. Yay! Yay, we're there!
Hey, look at this, Joe.
What is it?
It's a skull.
What is this? Oh.
I don't know. It's some kind of animal.
What is that?
Whoops. I slipped. It is... I don't know what that is. What is that? It is a deer, maybe?
No,
A deer head?
Mommy, we're there.
I don't know.
Look.
Okay. We stopped to look at the skull.
Look.
Okay.
I'm faster than the kilo. No, I'm not swimming.
Yeah. Get out. Out.
Ow.
River's down.
Get out.
Okay, look at that. Joey got a fish.
Go pick it up.
Cool. Woohoo!
It's a big sucker.
That's a great
sucker. Now,
big
pick him up.
fishy,
You
Joe.
gotta kiss him now.
No.
Yeah, you gotta kiss the first fish you catch.
Gotta give him a kiss.
No.
Give him a big kissy.
No.
He's waiting for you.
No.
He wants a kissy, Joe. That's a big old fishy, Joe.
Yeah.
Yeah, you gotta kiss him.
No.
I'm sure glad I didn't catch that fish. Whoops.
He got stuck.
There he goes. He's gonna go back.
He got stuck.
He's gonna go back. Well, he sure didn't pull very hard. He just kind of
Yeah.
nibbled.
Yeah, I noticed they've been doing that.
Oh, he's not deep enough, John.
Oh, he'll make